Hello, you want to see how I achieve this yummy gizdodo? Keep watching. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out how I achieve this. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. In today's recipe, I'm going to be preparing gizzdodo, and that is my red bell pepper, my yellow, my soy sauce, my tomato, my onion, my spring onion, my gizzard, my salt, my vegetable oil, my plantain, and that is my mixed spices and my seasoning cube. So I'll add the gizzard inside the boiling water. I will add my onion, and I would add half part of my spices. I'll add in my seasoning cube. I will list down below all the spices that I used. So here I'm going to stir and add my salt. So I'll cover and cook it for 15 minutes. While it's cooking, I'll go ahead to peel my plantain. Make sure you wash your plantain properly. I washed it properly, and now I'm going to cut it, peel it and cut it into smaller sizes. So I'm done peeling. I'm going to cut it to these sizes. So feel free to cut to your desired size. So this is it. I'll continue cutting until I'm done. For those of you always coming to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for being here. If you are new to my channel, please join the family, subscribe, turn on the post notification so that anytime I upload, you will get notified. So I added salt and I mixed together. So my gizzard is cooked after 15 minutes. So I'm going to cut my gizzard into smaller parts, and I added oil, I added the gizzard. So I'm going to fry it until it is brown. Now it's brown. I'll remove it from the oil. So now I will add my plantain and allow it to fry for like 3 to 5 minutes. So that is it. I would like to be brown too. Here is brown. I will remove it from the oil. So I will add the remaining one to the oil. I would like to be brown too. I'll remove it from the oil. I'm going to still use the same oil to prepare the sauce and everything. So I will save the oil and add it to the pot. So I have saved it. I added some oil, my onion, the remaining spices. I stirred together. I added a pinch of salt, and I allow it to just be here for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, I added my tomato. I added my yellow bell pepper, my red bell pepper, my spring onion. I will stir together and mix together thoroughly. So I added my soy sauce. I mix together again, and I'll add my gizzard and my fried dodo. So I will mix together properly, combine together properly. So I tasted for salt. It was okay. So I'll continue mixing until everything comes together. So now I'm done mixing. I'll cover and I like to simmer on a low heat for 2 minutes. So here is it. is ready. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.